Yes, sir. And we back. Now I'm over here recording. We back. So we found out we have to take off the oil pump from this motor. So we're about to drain it. Need me to hold it or you good? I'm about to drain the oil and then pull the timing and actually swap out oil pumps. Put the VTEC one on because it has the mounts for the cam angle. For the crank position sensor. Being that this is an OBD2 car. So we're gonna drain the oil, pop timing, swap, drop the pan, take off the oil, pick up, pull the pump, put on a new pump, oil pickup, back on with the pan, redo the timing, and then we could drop this bad boy in. She's not too shabby. Looking like some old coffee. No shinies. Just a mix of some bullshit. Alright, you guys. So far we got the pan off. And we got the pickup off. Now we just pulling off the tension. Old spring tensioner.
Is that on the pump itself? Looks like this bolt might be part of that.
Yeah, it's on the oil pump.
All this gotta come out.
So right now we're pulling off the timing belt so we can get this oil pump on to put on the new oil pump, and then redo the timing so then we can get ready for dropping back in. Just keeping you guys up to date, letting you know the mess that we are dealing with. And we are wrapping up. So this is how far we got today. So we got the timing pretty much together, but it's not timed. We came up to an issue where we were noticing we're gonna have to swap out this water pump and put the VTEC water pump. We're gonna have to swap out, what else we would have to swap out? Oh yeah, we gotta make sure that these are top dead center, and the cam gears itself, being that they're not the VTEC version. So we're gonna swap out cams itself and water pump, then set the motor back up on timing. Oil pan gets slapped back on. We're gonna gasket the oil pan with some sealant, Permatex, and should be looking good after that. So again, fucking timing, swap pulley of water pump, swap cams, oil pan, intake manifold has to go on with all the sensors, and electric should be pretty much done. And we got to drop in that bad boy. Day 4, we grinding. We almost there, my boy. What do you gotta say to the people, Rob?
Bullshit. Everyday bullshit.
Everyday bullshit.